We're looking at numbers 2 through 4, and wants us to find the area and circumference of these circles. So the way we're going to do that is we have to use our area and circumference formula. So first, for area, we're going to write it down as area is equal to pi r squared. So it's saying radius squared. And then we have circumference, which is equal to 2 pi r. Or you can use C is equal to the diameter times pi. Alright? So, for number 2, let's first find the area. What we have here is our radius. So to find the radius, we'll just plug it in right there. So we have area is equal to pi times 7 meters squared. From here, get area is equal to pi times 7 times 7 would be 49. So we have 49 meters squared. So we could have here two answers. We could have area is equal to 49 pi meters squared, or in our calculator we can just use a round up of 3.14, or you could do 49 times 3.14 and you get area is equal to 153.86 meters squared. Just depends on how you take it, okay? Now we're going to take a look at the circumference. So what we have here is we're going to be using this formula since we're given a radius. I mean, it doesn't matter really. So C is equal to 2 times pi times 7 meters. 2 times 7. C is equal to 14 pi meters. That's our exact answer. Or if you want to just round it, you could also have it as C is equal to 14 times 3.14, and you would get 43.96 meters. Alright, that's how you do number 2. Again, what we have here is we have the area formula which we need, which area is equal to pi r squared, and here C is equal to 2 pi r. What we're given in this problem is we're given a diameter. What we need to do is we need to cut it in half. So the way we do that, diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. So our goal is to get this radius by itself. We want to isolate that radius. So the way we do that is first we need to get r by itself. So we divide by 2, divide by 2. That cancels. And this gets our radius. E is equal to d divided by 2. Well, r is by itself, so this works out good. And we have a diameter, so we can definitely find this. So right here, let's just move an arrow to show that we moved it up here. So the radius would be equal to 30 feet divided by 2. That means our radius will be equal to 15 feet. Alright, so since our radius is equal to 15 feet, we can plug that into here and into here. So we have right here, area is equal to pi times 15 feet squared. Area would be equal to pi times 225 feet squared. So our exact answer would be I don't even know why I did parentheses there. It's fine. 225 pi feet squared. And we could also have our estimate answer. All you have to do, again, is 225 times 3.14, and you get 706.5 feet squared. And that would be our area. Right here, for circumference, we have the following. We have R right there, so C is equal to 2 times pi times 15. 2 times 15 gives you 30. Look, that's our diameter. C is equal to 30 feet. Oh, could have put pi there. So C is equal to 30 pi feet. Or you could have done 30 times 3.14. 94.2 feet would be our estimate answer. And that's how you would do number 3. So let's finish up with number 4. So we're going to focus on number 4 right now. Number 4, right away I can see we're given a radius. It goes from the circumference, or it goes from the end, from the point on the circle all the way to the center. So again, area is equal to pi r squared, and circumference is equal to 2 pi r. From here, we know that our radius, we'll just plug it in here, we get area is equal to pi times 10.2 inches squared. You get here area is equal to 10.2 squared would get us 104.04 inches squared. Pi, and then for an exact answer you would have it as 104.04 pi inches squared, or for an estimate answer you would just do 104.4 times 3.14. We have 326.68. Let's just round up to the nearest tenth. 0.7 inches squared. Alright, for here we have C is equal to 2 times pi times 10.2 inches, which is equal to 10.2 times 10. Oops, let me do that again. 2 times 10.2, yeah, 20.4. Alright, so we have 20.4 pi inches. That would be our estimate answer. And if you want an exact answer, you just times that by 3.14. And you would get to our nearest tenth, 64.1 inches. 64.1 inches. And that's how you would do 2 through 4.